In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a number to percentage. We are looking at a division problem. We're saying, okay, take this number of sales divided by the sum of the entire yearly sales, and we want to know what percentage in each month are we selling. But we get the number 0.0603, which this should be 6%. We can change this by simply going up to the menu bar here and clicking on the percentage symbol, and the tooltip says format as percent. We can do that. There is one other way. Actually, there are two other ways. One other way is to go to more formats and click here and select percentage. One other way is to select the cells you want to change and go up to the format menu, go to number, and over here in our selection we have some types of conversions, but we're going to go to custom number format on the bottom, and here we can select percentage, and we can say percentage or percentage with 2 places. Let's actually select that one with 2 places, apply, and we can see here we have all of the same percentage symbols. So that's a few ways to change the number to a percentage.